So, you finished up the film shoot, packed your bags, and you're headed home. You're back in the studio and you ask yourself, how do I upload my tracks from the TASCAM DR-10L Pro? Relax, I got you. In 2 minutes or less, I'll show you how to upload your tracks to your video editor so you can meet that early morning deadline tomorrow. Sit back and relax, because here we go. The first thing you want to do is plug in your USB-C cable into one end of the DR-10L Pro, and then the other end of that cable into your computer. Press the menu screen, then scroll to Card Reader. Press Enter on Card Reader. It should pop up on your screen just like this. And right here you can see our file waiting for us. Click and drag your file, then drop it into your video editor. Sync it up, and you're ready to go. Another way of doing this is uploading it into Audacity or Pro Tools to kind of do some polish on your audio. Then you upload it to your video editor, and you're ready to go. Pretty easy stuff. You guys have any questions or comments? Let me know.